Hello everyone, today is our last day at the Santa Rita Experimental Range. So we'll be traveling to the Southwest Research Center later on today. So before we leave here, I want to talk to you about Sky Islands. Sky Islands are essentially the concept that there's different ecosystems that are separated by this crazy geology. So in terms of here, we have this mountaintop behind me, which has one type of mineral in the soil leading to different types of vegetation, and then primary consumers and secondary consumers. Then we have these mountaintops over here, which have different mineral compositions and thus different vegetation. So this is really exciting for researchers and scientists because you can be in this one general location and have all these different vegetations and primary consumers to look at. But the cool part about it is that it all has the same general climate. So generally the same rainfall, humidity, and temperature. You can see how these different plants and animals react to it. Now this really only applies to the vegetation and the primary consumers, essentially insects, because birds can obviously travel from one mountaintop to the other, and large mammals can as well. And that's pretty much it with Sky Islands, but I do want to talk to you about my hike yesterday, which was so fascinating because here in the canyon it's pretty much desert. We've got our cacti, our mesquite, your basic Arizona desert vegetation. As you walk up the slope, you start seeing smaller trees, and then ultimately at the top it's pine trees. The picture that I took at the top, which I posted on yesterday's blog, I could be in Pennsylvania and you wouldn't even know the difference because there's just pine trees everywhere. Super fascinating. Again, really good for scientists because they can test the desert vegetation, and then as they go up the slope they can test things with pine trees even. So it's really exciting, and the longer I'm here in Arizona, the more diversity I see with the plant life and the animal life. It is so fascinating. You wouldn't think a desert has so many different living things, but it does. And that's pretty much all I have for you today, so talk to you later. Bye!